Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet this cute octopus in 30 minutes.
Wow! Magic ring and egg short crochet. Slip into the first stitch. At last of every round, slip into the first stitch and chain 1. The second round, 2 short crochet into every stitch of the first round. Get 16 stitches in total. The third round, 1 short crochet into the first stitch, 2 short crochet into the second stitch. Repeat that 8 times. Get 24 stitches in total. The fourth round, 1 short crochet, next 2 short crochet, next 1 short crochet. Repeat 8 times, get 30 stitches in total. The fifth round, 32 short crochet 1 by 1. The sixth round, 1 short crochet, next 1 short crochet, next 1 short crochet, next 2 short crochet. Repeat 8 times, get 40 stitches in total. From the 7th to the 13th round, 40 short crochet every round. 1 short crochet into every stitch. The 14th round, 3 short crochet 1 by 1, next decreasing stitch. Repeat 8 times. Please watch carefully how to decrease. The 15th round, 32 short crochet 1 by 1. Round 16th, hook goes into only the inside loop of every stitch. 1 short crochet, next decrease stitch, next short crochet. Repeat 8 times, get 24 stitches in total. The 17th round, 1 short crochet, next decrease stitch. Repeat 8 times, fill with 16 stitches in total. The 18th round, decreasing 8 times, get 8 stitches in total. Cut off line here. Now the octopus grippers. Find the outside loops of the 16th round. 17 chains as the beginning. Back to the second, make 15 double crochet 1 by 1. Skip the stitches, slip into next stitch. We get 1 gripper. Repeat to make another 7 grippers. Embroider their mouth and eyes. Color the face.
Thanks for your company. Good luck.